In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own circle, so community, in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Circle.so and logging into your account, or signing up if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to begin creating your community. Look for the option that says Create Community or Start Building and click on it. This is where the real magic begins. Next, you'll want to enter the name of your community along with a brief description. This is a crucial step, so take a moment to think about the core essence of what your community will represent. After you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now, let's move on to choosing the theme or appearance for your community. You'll find an array of options available that can influence the overall vibe and look. It's a good idea to pick a theme that aligns with your community's identity and goals. Clicking on Settings, then Appearance, will allow you to further customize by selecting the theme and color scheme you prefer. Make sure to save these settings before moving forward. At this point, it's time to set up spaces within your community. After accessing the Spaces section, you'll want to create a new space by naming it and providing a description. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, consider configuring access and membership options for your users. By clicking on Settings and then Membership and Access, you can choose to have a free or paid community. Make your selection thoughtfully, as it impacts how people will join and interact with your community. Remember to hit Save after making your choices. Adding content such as courses or modules is essential to enriching your community. Navigate to the Courses section to create new courses or add modules and lessons. This feature is fantastic for structured learning or sharing valuable content with your community members. If your community has a paid membership model, setting up payment methods is crucial. Access Settings, click on Payments, and connect your Stripe or PayPal account to facilitate transactions. For those of you interested in using a custom domain, you can configure this option within the settings. Enter your domain, update the DNS with the provided name, and verify the setup. If you'd like to enable integrations and automations, head over to Settings and then Integrations to connect any apps like Zapier, Rewardful, or other email tools you wish to use. Finally, it's time to invite members to join your community. In the Spaces or Community section, you can invite people by copying a link or sending out email invitations. When you're ready, go ahead and publish or go live, signaling that your community is now active for everyone to engage with. Congratulations on building your circle. So, community, now it's time to foster and grow it by engaging with your members.